Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make the best shrimp recipe ever. So to achieve this delicious recipe, here are the ingredients that you're going to need. Cube seasoning, chili flakes, garlic powder, Szechuan seasoning, and a pinch of black pepper, and also Caribbean blend green seasoning. And also what I have is 2 pounds of shrimp thoroughly clean and deveined. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my ingredients and give it a good mix. As always, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe. Do keep in mind, I will go right ahead and leave a full list of the ingredients and measurement below in the description box so you can always check it out. Once fully mixed, you want to go ahead and set it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, next step you want to go ahead in a heated pan, a pinch of oil, chopped garlic, after sauteing your garlic for 2 minutes, next you want to go ahead and add your shrimps and just cook them for 3 minutes. As always, I'd like to take this moment to shout out my current subscribers and also my new subscribers who watches my video each time I upload. Thank you. So here we are after 3 minutes. Next step, you want to go ahead and add any of your favorite veggies to finish it off. As always, thank you so much for watching. And also, please consider subscribing. Until next time. Delicious shrimps recipe for any special occasion.